Okay, guys, so you won't believe this, but we're getting 2 or 1 more dogs. We're not sure. And before we start, I'd like to say we are getting rapid subscribers, and so we're going to foster 2 or 1 dogs, and
maybe more later in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We may just be a rotating station.
Yeah, alright.
Station Lily Lou.
Do you like this, Grayson? Oh, apparently Grayson's not too fond of having 2 large dogs, so well. But look who it is! Look who is fond of this.
Oh, yeah. A dog has a right too, he said. We can get our way sometimes.
Look at him. Look at him go.
Oh, darling. Look at the boy roll. Rock and roll, Charlie says. Rock and roll. Okay, gotta go in.
Anyway, guys, enough talking. Let's get this started. Oh, and guys, before we start, we're going to have the Olympics for us dogs, cats, and the rejects.
The rejects.
We are the rejects.
So if you happen to be a reject, we're just the right channel for you.
That's right, Lulu.
Yes, yes, yes.
And Charlie boy, you are going to like these 2 new dogs, I tell you.
Yeah, there's going to be 4, Charlie. You get to help pick. Charlie.
This is a view of the cat.
That's the big one. We have.
Heebie-jeebies.
Rear view.
Heebie-jeebies.
To have
Heebie-jeebies.
4 birds. Okay, what would you call this one? Show them Grayson. And then we'll say, Grayson!
Yeah, hi Grayson.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Can you make a cherry pie, Charming Billy? I can make a cherry pie. Oh, what's my eye? He's a young sign. I got to do it. So I better learn some verses here.
Alright, anyway, enough video time wasting. Let's begin. Alright, guys, we're going out, everybody.
Let's go.
To find the dogs. Isn't that bright up there, guys? It's nice, and it's in the middle of March.
Go shut the door. Charlie might not want to.
It's in the middle of March, everybody, and we're already in shorts. It's too hot out here, guys.
It is hot. Let's go get
Now we're gonna walk out and wait. Oh, and guys, we want to get to 3,000 views. So if you guys tell your friend, and that friend tells your friend, and that keeps going, we're gonna have 1 billion views, maybe.
Be friendly with your friends, you guys. Did someone go down the road? Let's go see.
When once we get all these dogs, I think I'm gonna start acting like these dogs after a bit.
Yeah, we could. Then we'll find dog-friendly people, and we'll all be very friendly.
That's what our audience is.
You can open for me.
Our audience is dog people, pretty much, and dog and cat people. That's our audience.
Yeah, our audience, dog and cat people. If you don't like dog and cat, something's wrong with you.
Yeah. Tell your friends.
Something's wrong with you.
Wonder what it looks like in a trash can?
Open it.
This is what it looks like in a trash can with a bunch of old people.
We're dog friendly. No, I didn't say frog friendly. I said dog friendly.
Oh.
One more.
I thought you said dog friendly.
And we're
dog friendly.
We're sheep friendly. And we're
animal friendly.
Mentally ill. Charlie, say hi.
We're animal friendly. Alright, guys. We're just gonna walk, and we're gonna check on you guys a bit later. Hey guys, here comes the dogs. This might be the dogs. See that, guys? That is the dogs. That's Doc.
That's what I thought. That little thing spinning. I didn't think we had one
That's Doc.
for sure.
Yep. I think. Wait, no, maybe it's not. It's not the Wanderer. No. It is the Wanderer.
Oh, the
Wanderer
is always after us. Every time he's after. Look at him, dippy limp. Poor guy. He's getting old. Oh, should we go down and see him or not?
We wanted dogs, but the dogs aren't here yet. Well, guys, I think we're going to have to wait for a couple more freaking minutes.
Walk back and forth.
Guys, we found it. We found them. They're right there. We gotta go. Go. This is what it looks like to run super fast, by the way. Here it comes.
You better run fast.
Should I?
Yeah.
All right, ready, set, go. We are getting the dogs. Oh, man. Guys, this is crazy. Hi, Charlie.
How are you? Hi. You want to meet some dogs?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
Here they are.
Y'all let it.
We're filming it. He's filming it.
Oh, okay.
Charlie's happy.
We finally got our dogs, everybody. Finally.
Okay.
We got some more dogs.
All right.
Yeah, let's go.
We'll get in there.
Charlie, no.
Get out.
See his tail. See Charlie's tail.
Come on, guys.
Come on, get out.
Come on, boys. Come on, past Charlie, boy.
Come on.
Let's go, guys. Oh, hey.
Ranger.
Here, Charlie.
Ranger. Here.
There's so many. There's so many. There's so many.
No, Ranger. No.
You come on in.
Ranger.
That's a nice looking dog. Charlie.
Yard.
Stay calm, Charlie boy.
Oh, look at Charlie doesn't know where to keep her. Okay, that's a good idea.
See, kind of.
Guys, let's go over here. They are so scared. My goodness.
Any of these three, yes. They all are.
Oh, no. I told him to do that. It doesn't matter. I can take you and show you where we are.
Come on, boy.
That they'll be.
You're okay. Ranger.
Oh my God. Here, boy. That, guys, alright, I'll pause. Stop to see the final results.
He's the most timid.